Paul begins with a breathtaking view of the cosmic blueprint. Before the stars were even lit, God chose a family. This isn't just a club membership, it's a royal adoption. Paul explains that we have been showered with every spiritual blessing and sealed with the Holy Spirit as a down payment on a glorious future inheritance. The narrative shifts from the heavens to the heart. We were spiritually dead walking zombies of our own making, but God, rich in mercy, breathed life into us. Paul makes it crystal clear, this isn't a reward for being good, it's a gift of pure grace. He then describes a miraculous demolition. The wall of hostility between Jews and Gentiles has been smashed. We aren't separate factions anymore. We are one new humanity, a living temple where God dwells. Paul now reveals the mystery. The plan was never a gated community. Gentiles are full cares. Paul ends on his knees, praying that we'd have the spiritual horsepower to grasp the dimensions of Christ's love. A love so vast it actually defies measurement.
Subscribe.